Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel. Aston Martin, renowned for crafting automotive masterpieces, has once again pushed the boundaries of performance and luxury with the Valkyrie. This hypercar epitomizes engineering prowess, aerodynamic ingenuity, and exquisite design, making it a true marvel on wheels. Unparalleled power and performance. At the heart of the Aston Martin Valkyrie lies a hybrid powertrain engineered in collaboration with Red Bull Advanced Technologies and Cosworth. The combination of a high-revving 6.5-liter V12 engine with an electric motor delivers an astounding power output, propelling the Valkyrie to unprecedented speeds while maintaining exceptional efficiency. With the total power output eclipsing 1,000 horsepower, the Valkyrie achieves acceleration that defies belief, reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in mere seconds. Its lightweight construction, featuring advanced materials like carbon fiber and titanium, contributes to its remarkable agility and handling, ensuring a driving experience like no other. Aerodynamic mastery. Every curve and contour of the Aston Martin Valkyrie is meticulously crafted to optimize aerodynamic performance. From its distinctive teardrop-shaped cockpit to its aggressive rear diffuser and massive rear wing, every element serves a purpose in enhancing downforce and stability at high speeds. The Valkyrie's aerodynamic design isn't just about performance, it's also a work of art, sculpted to slice through the air with minimal resistance. The Valkyrie's sleek silhouette commands attention wherever it goes, reflecting Aston Martin's commitment to both form and function. Bespoke luxury. Step inside the Aston Martin Valkyrie, and you're greeted by a cockpit that blends cutting-edge technology with unparalleled luxury. Every surface is adorned with the finest materials, from hand-stitched leather to carbon fiber accents, creating an ambience of opulence and sophistication. Despite its track-focused nature, the Valkyrie doesn't compromise on comfort. Customizable seating ensures a perfect fit for drivers of all sizes, while advanced infotainment and connectivity features keep occupants entertained and informed on every journey. Limited production, unlimited prestige. As with all Aston Martin models, the Valkyrie is a symbol of exclusivity and craftsmanship. Production is strictly limited, with each car meticulously hand-built to the highest standards by Aston Martin's skilled artisans. Owning a Valkyrie isn't just about having a hypercar, it's about joining an elite club of automotive connoisseurs who appreciate the finer things in life. In conclusion, the Aston Martin Valkyrie represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering and design. It's a testament to Aston Martin's unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible, creating a car that transcends mere transportation to become a true work of art.